Hi everyone and welcome. Today we are about to be discussing how to add Facebook Pixel to Shopify. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. Okay, so right now as you can see we are inside our Shopify admin panel. So you simply need to head over to your app store and the search on the top, basically search in here for Facebook. Once you do that, you will be able to realize that we have multiple apps in the App Store that are going to serve as Facebook Pixel, and they are going to help you to simply incorporate your Pixel API. So let me show you actually. If I search for Facebook Pixel, you can see we have this amazing Facebook Pixel conversion API, and using this you can easily bridge both of these softwares together. So for now, this is the only method that you can add Facebook Pixel to Shopify, and bridging it using the third-party application provided by Shopify itself. You do not need to even go anywhere. Thank you so much for watching and hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.